Good morning, TC Bio. So welcome to our first week of online instruction. So I'll probably do this at least on the Sunday before each week begins. But what I've done is I've gone through and set up the courses and kind of gotten the first week organized. Hopefully this will make sense. It's not too overwhelming. I realize that some of you have two courses with me, and so the best way to do this is get done what you can. So what I've done for each course, I'm just going to click on AP Bio here and go to the classroom. So what I've done is I've gone through, I've set up general welcome. What I'll do is I will create a Word document for each week. And again, my plan was to have all of the 3 weeks done. That may be too much of a goal for today. I've got at least the first week. The teachers, we have to report every day next week, so maybe during the course of that I'll be able to get other ones done. But as you can see, you're going to have 5 assignments each week. So again, this is for AP Bio, immune system notes, concept map, immune system. What's in blue will take you to either a document or a website, and these are also linked into the classroom. Many of these are PDFs right now, so you will not have the ability to edit. However, if you need to download them, take a picture, and submit them, or you can just do it as a Google Doc. I'll be pretty flexible on that. So just do what you can. Like I said on Friday, I'm not going to be putting in actual grades at this point. Everything's ungraded because as you can see at the bottom of this document here, I have received 0 guidance on this aspect. So as for now, I'm going to use pass-fail. You submit your work, you pass. You don't submit your work, you fail. I'll also be using Zoom. For now, I just have 2 days scheduled from 10 to 11 for AP Bio. I think Honors Bio is 11:15 to 12:15, and then Anatomy and Physiology maybe 12:30 to 1:30. Again, we've been given 0 guidance on what is going to be expected. If I have to be on every day, I will adjust that. And so what I'll do, like I did with periods 4, 5, 6, and 7, I'll just put out a link. I'm not going to require you to download anything. The Zoom, as far as I know, is going to be voluntary. So don't feel like you have to, if you don't get into the office hours, you're not going to lose any points there. But that's kind of what this document is. And I have one set up for each class. So if you go up to classwork, and again, my first time using Google Classroom, there's your weeks. And then I've also included optional discussion. Again, not quite sure how this is going to work, but with the discussion, what I've done is I've tried to create a post that relates back to what we're learning. So for example, again, I'm using AP Bio. We're looking at immune system, so I posted some information about zoonotics. And so often I'll have the original paper, I'll have an image. Again, if you click on the image, it should just pop up right for you. Looking at zoonotics. And so in this case, coronavirus is carried by bats, they think, and also been passed to other mammals, but Chiroptera there. And I've also have access to the original papers. I don't expect you to read a 13-page paper, but if you got time, there's global patterns of zoonotic disease in mammals. I've done this for each class. So each class will have kind of an optional discussion. Again, not knowing what's going on, we'll do the best I can. Anatomy and Physiology, like I said, everything's the same. There's your week 1. There's all of your assignments. So again, this is what we have laid out. Do the best you can in terms of submitting materials. I'm going to go through and grade it. I'm not putting any grades in for 4th quarter yet. Again, we don't know what's going to happen. We got to ride out these next 10 to 14 days. But the biggest thing is for you just to kind of make sure you're getting in. Don't wait till last minute. Because if I have to start putting in grades, I will start putting in grades, but we have a lot of unknowns. And so the plan is for me today, then now that I've got this out to you, I'm going to start recording some lectures, and I'm going to try to keep everything under 5 minutes. Feel free to reach out to me through Twitter. Excuse me. You can email or through the Google Classroom. So hopefully this has been found helpful. Just stay away from people at this point, right? Wash your hands, social distancing, find Netflix to binge on, go outside, but try to have some distance. And we'll see you virtually in a few days on a Zoom, or if I have to do any other updates. So good luck to you, and yeah, that's about it. We'll see you.